One time. Alright guys, what's up? I'm John, coming back to you from the Vape Lair. In this video, this segment of this video, we're going to be talking about batteries and threading. The whole battery topic is really wide. For me, the lack of a big battery almost stopped me from vaping. But as I grew into vaping and to the hobby that it soon quickly became, I realized, as most people do, just in about every aspect of life, bigger is better. This is a 650 milliamp Ego style battery. Now what does all that mean? Generally 100 milliamp hours equates for me to about an hour to an hour and a half of vape time. Ego style. What does Ego style mean? Well, it means two things for me. It's an Ego style threading. This outside ring right here is an Ego style threading. And an Ego style battery generally contains a 510 connection up top, wherein the 510 threading on an Ego style container for your juice, the 510 threading will secure in here. The Ego style threading will secure it to the battery. So secure to the battery, secure to the unit. Two different things. Secure to the battery, receives the current. Secure to the battery, attached to the battery. Batteries. You know, if you get into mods, batteries are highly important. They mean the difference between a good vape and a lot of safety risks. Son of a bitch. First time I dropped it. See what it looks like. Beautiful. So, let's talk about a common battery size. 18650. Well, an 18650 battery is basically this. 18 refers to the diameter of the battery. 650 refers to the height. That's why I say 18650 and not 18,650. Because that just doesn't make sense. It's generally a 3.7 volt battery. And you know, there's all kinds of other batteries, 26-480s, all kinds of stuff. Whatever mod you get, they'll tell you what's a good safe battery with good safe chemistry to use, how to use them, and everything. You know, that's something I have a pretty good knowledge on, but I don't really have any use for it because I like Ego style batteries. Ego style batteries generally go between 650 milliamp hours and 1,000. Well, there's an alternative to that too, the K-Go style battery. Basically the same thing, except they go from like 850 to 1100. Safe battery chemistry, which we'll go to both extreme ends of the spectrum. Nickel metal hydride, NiMCH. Yeah, for the purposes of vaping, not extremely safe. Lithium polymer. For purposes of vaping, extremely safe. Safe chemistry, safe circuitry. The story that some of you may have heard about the guy in Florida who got his face blown off by a personal vaporizer. Unsafe battery chemistry on his part completely, not in any part to the vaping community, or lack of knowledge, but lack of knowledge on his part and not really knowing what he was doing. So that's about it for batteries. Again, if on the topic of this you have any questions you would like, or any more information you would like, I'd be more than willing to answer them on a message or whatever. I'll be more than happy to respond pretty quickly. You know, that's all I got.